Hello everyone, the Duke here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Swagtron T580 hoverboard. The first thing you want to do is flip it upside down, and on the side where the power button is, that's what you want to remove. And basically, you get a small Phillips head screwdriver and remove all the screws on that side. It's not that difficult, and honestly, the only issue you're probably going to have, if you've used your Swagtron for a while, they might be threaded. And honestly, there's not much you can do in that case. What I would recommend is once you get all of them unloosened, simply flip the board back over and kind of boop it against the ground, sort of like this, and that'll cause the remainder to come out. And if not, don't worry about it. What you need to do now is on the side where the wheel is, get like a flathead or a pry tool and sort of pry between the crack. You'll see it, it's right above where the light is, and just kind of go around the edge and it will pop off. It will take a little effort the first time, but it will pop off, and you want to be careful because that's where the power button is. After this, it's really easy. All you gotta do is unplug this blue and white wire and then the yellow wire. Just a little effort and they will come off. After this, the battery is very easy to take out. All you gotta do is these screws that are in the middle on the left side and the right side of the battery. I'll show you right here. You just gotta unloosen them. Don't unloosen the others, that's for the battery case. And you just take these out and then boom. You can just pull the battery out. You wanna watch out for the cables, you gotta push it back over, but that's how you take the battery out. And just to put it back in is doing everything in reverse. I'd start with those screws after you get them in, and then you just wanna connect everything. And make sure before you put the top back on to stuff these cables in, because you don't want it to get pinched when you put the plastic back on. And simply, I'd hold the plastic while you do it, because if any of the screws got threaded, you'll need to screw really tight, and then after that, it's pretty much good to go. The process is actually really easy, and I just contacted Swagtron support and told them what my motto was, and they were very helpful to send me a new battery. I hope this tutorial helped you, and this has been the Duke, signing off.